Okay, I'm going to do a mock-up of my rocket mass heater. I'll go through and explain it a little bit. Hopefully the sun cooperates. It's a little bright out here. So what I did, using Vandenberg's dimensions for a 5-inch batch box, mainly because a 5-inch, I've got a little over 2 inches. I can overhang that fire brick across because I got 9-inch fire bricks coming. So by 5-inch, and then I go to a 6-inch chimney, which by everything they said, going bigger works just fine. So what I did, I made an exact size so I know what I'm dealing with. And also back here on the riser, made that exact size too. So I've got what I'm dealing with there. It's 36 inches versus 43 inches to go to a 6-inch batch box. I can use that extra space. Besides that, with the bricks I've got here, I hope I got enough over there to finish this out, what I want to do. So anyways, what I've done is down here I put, what I'm going to start with is about a 3-inch slab of a mixture of perlite and Portland cement to make an insulated floor underneath this whole mess. Then I've got bricks, red bricks stacked to bring it up to height. I've got two stacks, and then I'm going to put a layer of fire brick in there, then build my burner. So anyways, and then outside will be all red brick, except for the top third, which is, we're getting close over here, which will go fire brick from there up. Let's see, as far as my exhaust, I am using a section of chimney pipe, clay pipe. I'm going to cut it shorter, of course, cut it to brick width here so it comes through, and it'll go right here. And that'll be my exhaust coming down and out. Then what I'm doing here is building actually 4 chambers, but three working chambers. They're going to have, I'm putting my bricks on sideways. That way the hot flue pipe gas can vent through these first 2. So I'll have 3 chambers of hot gas, and they're all going to vent straight up like that. When I get up to the height, what I plan is that it'll balance out the heat on top, and as it drops down cooler on this side, I have the equivalent or a little more of a 6-inch flue pipe, which is my pipe going out. I don't know if you can see the, you can see the holes in there. Each brick is about a 5 square inch inlet, hole size, whatever you want to say. And I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bricks, so about 30, and I believe a 6-inch pipe is 28, almost 29 square inches, and I've got over 30 in there. So, and then I turned and blocked off. From there up gets blocked off. So what's going to happen is the flue gas will all rise, balance out here in the top chamber, way up here in the top, will balance out, and it'll have an equal temperature all the way to the bottom, and then the cool air will come through there. Now my thought originally was leave this chamber from my exhaust, put my pipe up at the top to go out the flue. And I got thinking, if I bring my pipe all the way to the bottom, then any air that's warmer will want to come up in this chamber and heat that up here, and I can pick up just the cool air off the bottom. So I think that's what I'm going to do unless I get input otherwise. So anyways, that's my idea. I'm probably going to make some, probably another Perlite cast Portland cement tops and mount them across here so that it keeps the top won't be so hot, but they'll be removable if I ever want to clean this out or whatever with that way. Same with this over here. Going to have a top over the top that I can drop a big shop vac in there and clean that out. Next I'll have to figure my door, but the whole thing comes up, it's about 3 foot across or deep and 5 foot 3 inches end to end. Now if you take a good look at what I've got here, the burner and the Bell heat exchanger. All right, with the one clear on the end here is going to be my exhaust chamber. These three will be my balancing heat, exhaust gas, heat gas, whatever, but they'll balance out the heat. So now I'll take you inside and show you what the space is, and you'll understand it even better. Inside, my firebox will be right here. My heat chamber comes over. My exhaust is up there. So my exhaust chamber will be right directly under that. It'll come out, I don't know, right about there. There's a seam in the floor. It's about how far it'll come out. Maybe not quite that far. And it'll go down about there and back. So now you see what it is.